April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and this morning we're learning about new initiatives and events rolling out from the Houston Area Women's Center.
That includes a new campus, which is set to open in a few weeks to help more survivors of abuse. Our HAWC Loca spoke with a survivor and a top leader with the center to find out more about their services.
The Houston Area Women's Center, aka HAWC, has not only been around for nearly 50 years, but it's Houston's oldest main rape crisis center.
We can tell you that 1 in 4 women will be sexually assaulted. We can tell you that 1 out of every 7 or 10 men will be sexually assaulted.
So many cases go underreported. And since HAWC's deputy CEO, Sonia Corrales, says sexual assault is a public health crisis, HAWC is a part of SART, aka the Sexual Assault Response Team in Harris County.
There are certain initiatives that the Houston Area Women's Center is involved in.
That includes working with law enforcement, hospitals, and other agencies to make sure rape survivors like Ana Polanco are treated with the right care.
Do you still get emotional when you think about what happened to you as a teenager?
There's moments where I encounter a circumstance that is triggering and brings me back to that experience. I was very lucky and blessed to have a very skilled and trained professional counselor that helped me through understanding how to manage the trigger.
Ana has been attending HAWC counseling group sessions for the last 4 years and connected with other sexual assault survivors who supported her after she filed charges against her attacker.
How has HAWC helped your life and your healing journey?
There was a lot of misconceptions in things that I believe that make me maybe feel guilty about the experience. HAWC empowered me to learn how the perpetrator is always the one that is at fault.
On top of counseling, legal and financial services are available at HAWC, even if you aren't staying in their new 5.5-acre residential building.
We're walking inside one of their brand new apartment units. They have a total of 135 here at the new campus, and they can house around 360 people, tripling their capacity size of survivors they help.
Without any kind of services or any kind of support to survivors, we will go to a place where people will live with their trauma and not get any access to any support.
Let's not forget that we are survivors. There's people that encounter the same experience and they don't make it out.
Every time she receives the free help provided, she gets stronger and less stressed about her past. HAWC Loca, KHOU 11 News.
I remember when they announced that center. It is such a big deal for them. I can't believe it's already here.
And so needed. If you heard earlier in that story, the statistics, they're scary across the country. So this is very needed and so wonderful to hear that we can help more people here in our city. Well, the center's theme this month is support. That stands for strength, understanding, protection, prevention, outreach, resources, and trust. Now, the center is also hosting a luncheon at the Marriott downtown. That's happening tomorrow at noon. They're also hosting a Take Back the Night sexual assault prevention program. That's Thursday, April 24th at the University of Houston. That starts at 7 p.m. They're also hosting a live panel, We Are, on sexual assault awareness, where you can ask questions and get them answered in real time. That's streaming on April 30th at 8 a.m. on KHOU 11+.